If you never made a YouTube channel before, or if you are looking to start afresh with a brand new YouTube channel, then you are in the right place. Whether you are completely new or you are looking to create an additional YouTube channel, then I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step procedure how to do that. Hey guys, this is PerspecTube with PerspecTube. Let's jump right into the video without wasting your time. Let's create the fresh YouTube channel. If you haven't got the Google account yet, I'll guide you through the process. Firstly, head over to the youtube.com. On the top right corner, locate the sign in button. After clicking on the sign in button, you will likely encounter with a window. From there, you can easily create an account by clicking on create a new account option. You will then be presented with 3 options, one for your personal use, another for your children, and another for the business management. You might select for personal use since it's likely to be your personal YouTube channel. However, I would suggest you to choose for work or for business instead. This option provides additional functionalities that you wouldn't have with a standard personal YouTube account. Choosing a brand account offers several advantages. Firstly, it allows multiple individuals to log into your YouTube account without sharing your Google account details, including Gmail and other Google services. Secondly, with a brand account, you can have a distinct YouTube channel name that is actually different from your Google account name. This flexibility is valuable for your personal branding and YouTube identity with your content. It provides enhanced security and customization feature for your YouTube channel. Given these benefits, opting for a brand account is highly recommended. It provides enhanced security and additional customization options for your YouTube channel. Below that, you will see an email section. If you don't have a Gmail account yet, click on create a new Gmail account button. You will then need to create a username that comes before @gmail.com. If the username you choose is already taken, you will be prompted, try another one when you hit the next button. If you need to set up a recovery email address, it doesn't necessarily have to be a Gmail address. It can be any email address that you prefer. After filling out the recovery information about recovery email address, you will proceed by providing additional information that is prompted. After providing necessary information, click on Next again. You will then come across the privacy and terms sections where you can review the terms and conditions. Scroll down below and click on I agree. Once you have agreed to the terms, you'll see a message stating that your Google account is all set. At this point, you'll have an option to add a business profile, but for now, click on Not Now. Now that our Google account has been set up, let's head to the YouTube to finish creating our YouTube channel. When you are back on the YouTube channel, you'll see that our account has been created by checking on the icon and the name at the top left corner. However, there is a crucial step that we need to take next. Click on a channel icon and select Create a Channel. Then you will see a pop-up where you can choose your channel name as well as the handle name. Here, I prefer custom channel name, so I'm entering here my PerspecTube or PerspecTube. This is where you can personalize your YouTube channel name to reflect your content and the brand. At this point, your YouTube channel has been officially created. Congratulations on your brand new YouTube channel. It's worth noting that if you ever decide to change your channel name later on, you can do so by accessing a channel settings. Remember, flexibility is the key, and you have the option to change the channel name as per needed. In the next video, we'll cover how to create and upload a profile picture, channel art, and other related elements. And for now, let's return to the YouTube. At this point, you officially have a YouTube channel. You can engage with the comments, post videos, and start sharing your content with the world. Congratulations, you are now officially a YouTuber. If you want to create another YouTube channel, perhaps for different contents, and if you already have an existing channel, here is what you can do. Click on icon, go into the settings page. On the settings page, navigate to your channel. Look for the option to add or manage your channel and click on it. From there, you can open up a brand new YouTube channel. When creating a YouTube channel, it automatically creates a brand account. You can input your design name and create it right there. It's a straightforward process, and that's how you can create an additional YouTube channel under your account. The most important part of this video is the next step. which gives you access to custom thumbnail, ability to post videos 15 minutes or longer, live stream and appeal content ID, etc. Here is how you do it. Head back to the youtube.com and click on your icon. This time go into the YouTube Studio. In the YouTube Studio, navigate to the bottom left corner and access the settings. Click on the channel and click on the feature eligibility. You will notice that default features are already enabled, but you will want to enable additional features. For that, you need to verify your phone number. Click on the verification button and select Text Me. Input your number and hit the Submit button. You will receive a text message with a 6-digit number. Enter the numbers and hit the Submit. Congratulations, now your YouTube account has been verified and you are all set up. The next step is also crucial, setting up your profile picture and channel art. I'll guide you through a step-by-step process on the next video. See you on the next video. Peace.